Hello and welcome to the Savify Discounts app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to create discounts for VIP tagged customers using the customer tags condition in the Savify Discounts app. Open the Savify Discounts app. Click the Create Discount button. You can choose from 3 discount types: order discount, product discount, and shipping discount. In this tutorial, we'll use the order discount type. Click on the Add a Condition button. From the list that appears, choose the Customer Tags condition. Choose If Found under the Customer Tags condition, then enter the customer tags which you want the discount to apply. For example, we'll enter VIP. Let's set a discount name. This name is for internal use only. Next, set your discount code. You can either create one manually, or you can click on the Generate option. You can also choose Automatic Discount. If you select this option, make sure to enter a discount message, and this message will be displayed on the checkout page. For this video, we will select the automatic discount method and set the discount message as "You got a discount." Then we will set the discount value for the order discount. We can choose either percentage or fixed amount. We will keep the percentage and put 10% for order discount. This means only customers tagged with VIP will receive this discount. I already tagged my support customer account as a VIP customer. Here under Discount Applies to section, we can set the discount for all products or apply it to selected products only. In the Maximum Discount Uses section, you can set how many times the discount can be used in total, and also you can set that each customer can use it only once. In the Combination section, you can allow this discount to be combined with other product, order, or shipping discounts, so customers can use multiple offers at the same time in a single order. To make this tutorial simple, we will keep the All Default option as they are. Now let's click on the Save button to create this discount rule. That's it. Your discount is live now. Let's go to the checkout page and test it out. As expected, the discount is being applied perfectly because I am using the support account email at the checkout. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Savify Discounts app. Happy selling!